Well, it is exciting to get past the sheetrock stage of the hanging, the mudding, the taping, the texturing, and the painting, and my least favorite part. Now we're on to the flooring part. Now, I had debated on whether I should put some plastic down and tape up off the floor, but I realized I was going to have to sand it anyways before I finished it, so it was just a lot easier to not worry about taping off or putting plastic down, because this sander here that I rented from the Home Depot was fantastic. It only cost like, I don't know, $60 for the day to rent. And after using it for a whole day, it was worth every penny to get this floor sanded and prepped, ready to go all at one time. Now, it's not really a difficult process to finish a wood floor. Now, I do have pine wood floors. These aren't oak or some crazy hardwood or anything like that. And so the process is basically the same thing. First thing you got to do is just, prep the floor. You got to sand it first. Get all the way up against that wall there because, if not, you'll notice it. Now, what I'm going to do first, though, is I'm going to actually put a whitewash on it because we do not want the yellowish, orangish wood pine look. And so what I'm doing here is I'm just taking some actual leftover paint from the walls and basically mixing up to a 3-to-1 ratio. So 1 part paint, 3 parts water. And so it makes it not really super thick white, but it kind of a clear, transparent white, which is kind of what we're looking for. Just something to kind of offset that orangey yellow look, and to kind of give it a little bit of a whitewash look, but not too strong because we do have white walls and white ceilings. So this is just a very simple process of making your own whitewash. And then comes the actual part of putting the finish on. Now I'm going to put on a total of 2 coats, and I will put on a coat, sand between it, and then put on a second coat. And this is the product that I'm using to put it on, a polyurethane here that is a gloss finish, because we wanted that kind of shine look to it whenever we're done. The light shine on it, looks all pretty and everything. But as you can see here, it's a very simple process. You just kind of brush it on there, kind of a thick, liquidy type substance, so it's not too difficult to put on. Easy to do, and anyone can accomplish this project. Now, it is good to wait at least a good day between actual applications, and make sure you get a good sand in between that. But once you're done, it'll have a nice, freshly finished floor ready to be used. And this is the before with the first coat, and this is after with the second coat. You can kind of tell a little bit more glare, which we were looking for and what we wanted to kind of see.